welcome back to my channel. Chloe here. Hi, how are ya? Happy New Year, everyone. I am hoping that your guys' New Year has started off nice and well. Mine has, thank God, because if you guys saw the two-part Vlogmas videos, you would know that that week was rough. But thankfully, we are doing good, you guys. We are here to open and unbox my very first Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. How exciting. I ended up getting the deluxe in a size large, and I am so excited to open this, you guys. I was going to get the bigger one, but I am happy with the one I got. I also picked this one because, of course, it is baby pink, you guys, and you guys know baby pink is my favorite color. I'm so excited to unbox this. I did see a couple of spoilers, so I kind of know, very vaguely know what I am going to get in this box. Let me tell you guys, shipping took forever. Like, it took forever to get here, but I am super excited to open this. I have always wanted to open a mystery box. I could never because they would sell out crazy, but maybe now they'll be around a little bit longer. Here's hoping. But yeah, this is the very first Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box that I am unboxing, and you guys are going to see what I got. And anything that I don't like from here, you guys, I will be gifting it, or it might be in the giveaway when we reach 100 subscribers. And I am watching you guys because it is up to you guys when I reach 100 subscribers. Of course, you guys can tell people to subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, your family, and that would increase the chances on when the giveaway is. But as of now, we are 3/4 of the way until we reach 100. So I'll leave it in your hands. But we're going to go ahead and open this, you guys. Okay, you guys, I ripped off the tape. I am opening it. I'm so excited. Okay, so I am opening it. As you guys can see, you guys are the very first ones to see what is on top. I really can't see. Is it tissue paper? Oh, no, it's a bag. Okay. So, okay, you guys. The very first thing I'm seeing. Oh, my God. Okay, so the very first thing I'm seeing is this, and I believe this is a shirt. So let's open it, shall we? I am so excited. So, oh my God, this is cute. So this is the shirt, you guys. It is a long sleeve shirt. It has this like candy stripe print on it. I think it's supposed to be like peppermint, and then this is the back of it, you guys. How cute is that? This is so cute. Unfortunately, I rarely wear white. When I do wear white, it is a very specific day. But I am happy with the first item. I might crop it, you guys, but that was the first item. Oh my God, I totally forgot to tell you guys how much this box was. So this box costed $120, I believe. I'm not 100% sure. It could have been $125. I did Afterpay, you guys, because with Afterpay, the world is your oyster. But yeah, it was like 120, 25. Don't quote me. It is a mystery box, you guys. You really can't be picky with a mystery box because it's a mystery. Like, if you do not like surprises, or if you feel like you're not going to wear or use any of the items that you get in a mystery box, you probably shouldn't get a mystery box because you're gonna hate it. I'm gonna open it and you guys see what's inside. Did you guys see? Okay, so the next item I am feeling, it's a pretty big item actually. Yep, you guys. We got the Jeffree Star x Shane Dawson liquid lipstick bundle. What? Like, guys, I love this packaging. I know. Jeffree and Shane are a little iffy with everyone right now, especially Shane, but I love this product. And when they released this product, you guys, it was everything. And the box, it's like good quality. I am definitely going to be reusing this box, you guys. And the liquid lipsticks are not all my favorite shades. Let me just say that. But yeah, you guys, that was the next item. This is the next item, you guys. I am feeling a couple of lippies and something with tissue paper. So let's open this. Let's open this. Oh my God, you guys! So, I should have started by telling you guys, I really don't have a lot of Jeffree Star Cosmetics items. This is from the Orgy collection, and I'm actually really happy with it. It is in the shade Mouthful. And you guys, this packaging is so gorgeous, but I love the Orgy collection just because it was very wearable, if you will. It is very wearable. So, let's see what's the color on this one. Ooh, guys, this is actually really pretty. So the packaging is actually really cute. I am obsessed with it. I actually really like it. Of course, I'm going to wear it. This is actually really pretty. This is like, I don't know. It's like a nude with like little reflexes of, I'm seeing pink, blue, gold. So that was my next item, you guys. I also forgot to tell you, wow, I really shouldn't start a video without taking notes of what I have to talk to at the beginning. For example, I forgot to mention, this was a Christmas present from my boyfriend to me, but obviously it didn't arrive on time, but I honestly did not care. That is why I didn't do a what I got for Christmas 2020. I was waiting for this box and like 2 more other packages that he ordered, and they were basically my Christmas presents. But yeah, you guys, I forgot to tell you guys about the prize, and now I forgot to tell you that it was also a Christmas present. So it was a Christmas present, so thank you so much, baby, if you're watching this. But let's move on. So I ended up getting a lip liner in I Am Nude, which is right there, you guys. I Am Nude. So this is actually my first lip liner from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And you guys, I don't want to swatch it because it's so pretty. Okay, you guys, so the next item, I felt this one. Oh, this one's actually open. Do you guys see that? It was actually open. So I did get a liquid lipstick in Unicorn Blood, and I don't have the shade. It is actually a pretty shade, you guys. It's actually really pretty, but I don't know if I would actually wear this shade, just because I don't really wear shades like this. But who knows? Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Maybe it'll be in the giveaway. Who knows? So the next item I'm gonna pull out, I already know what this is because of the way it feels. And if it is what it is, it's gonna be very insane because I think this is a new product he dropped. So yeah, you guys, it is. It is the Velvet Trap lipstick, and it is in the shade Chocolate Fondue. So I am super excited. Oh my god, you guys, the packaging. What even? This is like heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that? Oh my god. This is gorgeous. This is so pretty. I don't care if it's super dark. I'm gonna wear it because it is that gorgeous, you guys. Are you guys ready for this? Oh yeah, we love that. And the box on this is actually everything. I am here for this packaging. I just stared at it for like a couple of minutes, but wow, this is actually amazing because it is a new item. So the last item, oh, wow, you guys, everything that I got, I am actually pretty happy. And yeah, that is kind of weird because I would have expected more like odd shades, but the last item in here, you guys, I believe it's a palette. I don't know what palette I got. I do know that there are variations. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. I got the Orgy palette. I got the Orgy palette. Let me repeat that. I got the Orgy palette. Wow. Guys. The Orgy palette. I actually like this palette. When I first saw it, I was like, whatever. The more I saw it, the more I was like, well, you know what? I always wear brown shades and nude shades, and I think this palette would come really in handy. But, oh my god, you guys, this palette. Oh my god. So this is officially my 4th Jeffree Star palette that I own. So that is amazing. But I opened it, you guys. I hope nothing's cracked. This is the Orgy palette, you guys. What? Even! Guys, this is so amazing. I am definitely going to be wearing these shades. Like, yes, God. This is actually, wow. I am so happy with the choice that I made for box-wise because I do know some people ended up getting the Shane Dawson palette, and I already own that one. This is everything. I am so happy. I am so excited. I cannot wait to play with all of these new items and shades and colors and everything. I just love it all, you guys. I really do. I am so happy with everything that I got. But that was everything, you guys. The box is empty. There is nothing more. So we're going to do a quick recap of everything that I got in this box. This box retailed for $120 or $25. And I got the Orgy palette, which I believe was like $58. So this was almost half of the box. Then I ended up getting the liquid lipstick bundle that was also like 50 something dollars if I'm not mistaken. So literally these two items just paid for the box. And then we're not even done. We got 4 lip products. Not only did we get 4 lip products, but we got one of each of his lip products. So we got a lip liner, a gloss, a liquid lipstick, and a lipstick. So how amazing is that? And keep in mind, this is a new product. So that was amazing, you guys. That was amazing. And we of course cannot forget the exclusive item, which is a t-shirt that doesn't have a retail price because it is exclusive to this box. So that was everything we got. We did get 7 items. Amazingly, nothing went wrong with my package except for the shipping delays, but it was the holidays. I knew there was going to be shipping problems. I shipped for Poshmark, so of course I knew there was going to be problems. If he comes out with the Valentine box, I might have to get it and show you guys what I get in it because I enjoyed opening this box. Like I said, I don't own a lot of Jeffree Star products, but now I have more in my collection and I cannot wait to add more, you guys. So that was today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to go ahead and leave a like. Make sure to go ahead and comment down below what videos do you guys want to see for 2021. We are in 2021, you guys. What? We made it through 2020? Yes, we did. 2020 who? I don't know her. Anyways, comment down below what you guys want to see for 2021 in my channel. Let me know, did you like any of the items in the box? Did you get a box? Leave it all down below. Also, make sure to tell your family and friends. Subscribe to Chloe's channel because when she hits 100 subscribers, I want there to be a giveaway. I want to win the giveaway. So, yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Check the description for any details of today's video. Or if you guys want to follow me on my social media, everything's down below, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye, my angels.